Good morning, children. Today we are going to start new chapter 10, administration. In this, we are going to learn about the perimeter and area only. Already, the words are very familiar to you. We have to give some explanation and we can do the problems. The first point we have to learn today is perimeter only. Now, look at the following figures. Three figures are given here, and what we have to see that one letter is marked there, that is S here, one end of the corner, isn't it? So what is the if you start from the point S in each case and move along the line segment, then you again reach the point S. You have made one complete round of the shape in each case. What is the meaning of this one? Here you can see that S is marked for the first diagram. Now we are moving along the line. Then what happens here, it is coming along the line and reaching S only. That is only here we are written reaching the point S again. What happened here, a complete round we have taken. This is called the perimeter, that is the length of the outer boundary. The distance, this distance is known as the perimeter of the closed figure. Now similarly here also you can see one as if you are starting along this point, we are moving and we are reaching S only. So what we have taken, the outer boundary complete round we have taken, isn't it? This is called a perimeter. Similarly, same case with this figure C also. It is the length of the wire needed to form the figures. Suppose we are taking a wire and to form the figures, what is exact shape? A triangle shape will get here and here, cross we will get here and here, one parallelogram is there. So the length whatever we have shown by the lines, it is the perimeter only. So if you want to make the figure, we have to require that much length. The idea of the perimeter is widely used in our daily life also. A farmer who wants to fence the field, an engineer who plans to build the compound wall on the sides of the house, a person prepared to track to conduct sports only. So what happens here, we are not using perimeter idea in many fields, many daily life incidents we are using the. So commonly we know that we are making the boundary of the our plot and all. What we'll do, we'll do the fencing. That time some expenditure wall we will make, like this all come under the case of the perimeter only, right? So perimeter, what is the definition of the perimeter? Perimeter is the distance that covered along the boundary, forming a closed figure when you go round the figure once. Perimeter, I repeat, perimeter is the distance covered along the boundary, forming a closed figure. It should be closed figure, right? So when you go around the figure once, suppose we are having a figure like a rectangle now. So whatever length we have drawn here using the red pen, that is called our perimeter. It is boundary line, the length of the boundary, isn't it? That is called a perimeter. Perimeter, that is the outer distance only. If you understood this one, you can do one example here. Find the perimeter of the following figure. What is the length? AB is given 40, BC 10, and CD 40 and AD 10 only. Now we have to calculate the perimeter only. Just we'll substitute here. Instead of AB, the length is 40 here. BC, the length is 10 here. Then CD, it is 40 again. Then AD, it is equal to 10 here. It's not there here. Okay, so how many times we have got here? 40 plus 10, 50, 50 plus 40, 90 plus 10, it is equal to 100 only, right? So here we are doing 100 centimeter only. So here what happens, the perimeter we are using addition only. So we will write 100 centimeter only. So 40 plus 4, 10, 50, 50 plus 40, 90, then last 10 only. So what we are doing here, we are measuring the outer boundary length, isn't it? AB measured, BC measured, then next CD measured, then AD length we have taken. So all the length we have added here. So what we are doing, perimeter is the distance covered along the boundary, forming a closed figure when you go around the figure once only. So we have taken the outer boundary length. In this case, it is equal to 100 centimeter only. Now what happens to this question? Perimeter only asked here. Instead of 40, here it is a 5, 5, 5. All the four sides are equal, so it's a square only. The last time you can see it is a rectangle. Now here everything is 5 only. So I'll write here AB equal to 5, BC equal to 5, CD equal to 5, and one more 5. So how many? 4 times. So what is the total length? 20 centimeter. So in this case, we have calculated the perimeter, that is equal to 20 centimeter only. Now the next figure is given, find the perimeter. So here you can see that many measurements are there. It's a cross only, almost similar to A to B 1 centimeter, B to C 3 centimeter, C to D again 3 centimeter, DE 1, EF 3, FG 3, GH 1, and HI 3, and IJ 3, and JK 3, again KL, then L A. So we starting from L equal to 3 only. So we starting from the A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, E to F, F to G, G to H, and G H I, then I J, then up to K, then up to L, then the last A. So all the boundary length we have taken here, right? So each measurement we will write here AB 1, BC 3, CD length already given 3, and DE 1, EF 3, then FG 3, next GH 1, next HI 3, IJ 3, JK 1, KL 3, then LK, LA, that is also equal to 3 only. So we will get here many measurements, 3, either 3 or 1 only. Once again we'll check, we should not miss anything. So AB 1, BC 3, CD 3, then DE 1, EF 3, next FG 3, FG3, GH is 1, HI is 3, IJ equal to 3, JK equal to 1, then the last two measurement, that KL equal to 3, LA equal to 3. So 3 plus 1, 4, 7 plus 1, 8, 11 plus 3, 14, 15 plus 3, 18, plus 3, 21, plus 1, 22, plus 3, 25, plus 3, 28. Anyway you can add, there is no problem. So while adding, what is the perimeter we are getting here? We are getting here it is equal to 28 centimeter only. So what we have done here, the outer boundary length we have measured, this is called a perimeter only. Next, one more figure is the perimeter. We have to calculate, means what we should do, I think you already learned, AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EF plus FA. Just to substitute the values now. AB equal to 100, BC 120, then 90. What is 90? CD. DE, it is equal to 45, then EF 60, then the last one FA equal to 80. So we'll add now 100, 120, 90, 45, 60, then 80. So what is the sum here? 5. Okay. Next, 2 plus 9, 11, 11 plus 4, 15, 21 plus 8, 29, balance 2. So 2 plus 1, 3, and 4 only. So what is the sum we are getting here? 495 centimeter is the perimeter for this diagram. Perimeter of the rectangle. We already learned in the lower classes what is the perimeter of the rectangle in the formula and all. So just we will write perimeter of the rectangle, sum of the length of its four sides. For in this case what will happen? We have to find AB plus B. We are starting from A only, BC, then CD plus DA is equal to 15 plus 9 plus 15 plus 9 only. So how many times we add this one, we'll get the answer only. So instead of writing this, what they told means opposite sides are equal, isn't it? We have to reach the formula. So CD we are writing AB. Similarly, BC and DA are equal. So BC and BC we are getting. So 2 times of AB, 2 times of BC only. So what is the next step? 2 times of A, 2 common we will take. So AB plus BC, therefore it is equal to 2 into 15 plus 9, that is equal to 2 into 24. Here it is written. So what is the answer there? 48 only. So when we are learning the formula, this is the step. 2 times of length will come, 2 times of breadth will come. So separately also we can substitute. Here you see 2 times of 15 will come. So 2 into 15 plus 2 into 9. So 30 plus 18. So what is the answer? 48. Now here what is we are doing? We are doing the formula only. So 2 into 24 we got, that is also equal to 48. So 2 times of length, 2 times of breadth. So what is the formula we are getting? Perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth only. So this is the perimeter. We already learned, in short we will use L and B only. So 2 into L plus B. Okay. So this is the formula. Next, Shabana wants to put a lace border all around a rectangular table cover, 3 meter long, 2 meter wide. Find the length of the lace required by Shabana. So, a lace border all around the rectangle table cover. Suppose the table cover is a rectangle, maybe like this. Now, what is the length? Length is equal to 3 meter, breadth is equal to 2 meter only. Find the length of the lace required. So, we have to move like this. Lace here only we are going to do. So already we know the formula 2 into length plus breadth. So we are substituting 2 into 3 plus 2, that is equal to bracket terms we should solve first, right? So 3 meter plus 2 meter, what is the sum? 5 meter only. So 2 into 5 meter, what is the answer? It is equal to 10 meter. So length of the lace equal to um, length of the lace is equal to 10 meter only. So we got the answer. So we just applied the formula here. Now a farmer has a rectangular field of length and breadth 240 meter and 180 meter. So what is the length there? 240 meter. And what is the breadth there? 180 meter. He wants to fence it with 3 rounds. How many rounds we have to? So he has to use for 3 rounds only. So what is the total length of the rope? So what will happen here? This measurement he has to make 3 lines here. So altogether it is what is our perimeter only. So perimeter should be multiplied with 3 times, because 3 times we have to make. So what we should do? First we have to calculate a perimeter of the field. Then we have to multiply with 3 only. So what is the formula? 2 into L plus B only. So 2 into 240 plus 180, it is equal to 2 into 420. What is the answer? 840 only. Now how many times to be multiplied? Into 3 only. So 3 into 840, that is equal to 2520 only, right? So here we are getting the length of the rope. It is required for 3 times. Therefore 3 into 840, which is equal to 2520 only. Now perimeter of the regular shapes. If it is a square, you know that the angles are equal, sides are equal. So the regular closed figure only. It is a perimeter we have to calculate, means 4 into length of side. Similarly, equilateral triangle 3 into length of a side. So we already know that a square means all the 4 sides are equal. So if it is 5 means it is also 5, it is also 5. If it is 3 means it is all the 4 sides are 3 only. Now what is the sum of this one? 4 into length. So 4 into 5, it is equal to 20. Otherwise, what will happen? 5 should be added 4 times. So 5 plus 5 plus 5, it is equal to 20 only. So 4 into 5, 20, and similarly here square. Now when it comes to the equilateral triangle, how many equal sides are there? We know that a triangle means 3 sides only. So if it is 4 means this also 4 and this also 4. So how many 4s? 3 into 4. 3 into length of the side. Or we can say that 4 plus 4 plus 4 3 times we should add, that is same as 3 into 4, it is equal to 12. So when you are having a square, we learned in the lower classes it is 4 times of the side, or we will use a 4, yes, whereas is the length of the side. When you are having the equilateral triangle, we will use that 3a, where a is the one of the side, length of the side only. Now regular closed figure. The figure which having all the sides are equal in length, all the angles of equal measure, then it is called a regular closed figure. The word regular shows that the side as well as angles are equal. Now when you are taking the square, what happened to the angle? Each angle is equal to 90 degree, isn't it? So all angles are equal there. Now what about side? One side is 4, the remaining all side is 4 only. So all the sides are equal in length. So when you are having a square, what is the condition we are having? We know that all the sides are 4 means this also 4, here also 4. What about angle? Angle is 90 degrees. So all the angles are equal. Similarly, as the case with the equilateral triangle. Suppose it is also 4, this side also 4 only. Now what about each angle? All the three angles are equal. It is equal to 60 degree in equilateral triangle. So angles measurement are equal and the side length is also equal. So such type of the figures are called a regular closed figure. Closed figure in the sense polygon that is made up of line segments. So equilateral triangle and the square are the example for this. Next, a regular rectangular piece of land measures 0.7 kilometer and 5 kilometer. Each sides to be fenced with the 4 rows of wire. So this time what is the change? That time we have seen that it is to be multiplied with the 3. Now this time we have to multiply it with the 4 only, right? So first we have written length, then we have written breadth, then perimeter we have calculated. Now we have to multiply it with the 4. So 4 into 2.4, it is equal to 9.6 kilometer only, right? So this is the length of the wire required to fence 4 rows of the wire. Now the perimeter of the regular pentagon is 100 centimeter. How long each side will be? Now this is what is the difference. This time perimeter is given. We have to find out the length of the side. So perimeter equal to 5 into side. It's a regular pentagon. Pentagon means how many sides are there? 5 side. So 100 equal to 5 into side. So how we can calculate a side? 100 by 5 only. So it's equal to 20 centimeter. So the side we can calculate. So perimeter should be divided by the number of sides only. Suppose we are having a square. The perimeter is given by square. What is the side of the square? Perimeter equal to 100 and the formula is 4 into side. So how we can calculate a side? Side is equal to 100 by 4 only. That case it is equal to 25. It is not the question. I gave just an example for you only. So it is perimeter divided by the number of the side for calculating how long the side will be. Next. Find the cost of fencing a square park of side at 250 meter at the rate of rupees 20 meter per meter only. So cost of fencing square park. First cost of fencing means what we should calculate? We should calculate a perimeter only. So length of the fence required means perimeter. Perimeter, what is the formula? Because the shape is square only. So 4 into side. So 4 into side is equal to 4 into 250, which is equal to 1000 meter. Now what is the meter? Only unit, right? Now cost per meter, what is that? 1 rupees 20. So 20 cost of for fencing 1 meter equal to rupees 20 only. So cost of fencing for 1000 meter, it is equal to 1000 into 20, isn't it? Rupees 20,000 only. So this is the answer for this question, but this time cost is added. First we have to calculate a perimeter, then we have to go for the um, Then we have to go for the cost of fencing for 1 meter of the square park, because we have to calculate the amount what we have to spend. So what we should do, 4 into 1000. What is the 4 into sorry, 1000 meter is the perimeter. Then cost for fencing is equal to rupees 20. So 1000 into 20, it is equal to 20,000 only. Find the cost of fencing a rectangular park of length 175 meter and breadth 125 meter at the rate of rupees 12 per meter only. Cost of fencing only asked here. What is given in the question? Length is given as well as breadth is given. So length equal to rectangular park 175 meter, breadth is equal to 125 meter. Now, the length of the wire required for fencing. Required for fencing means what is the answer? What is the question? We have to calculate here perimeter of the park only. So, what is the perimeter of the park? 2 into L plus B. Why it is that one? Length and breadth are different. So, what is the shape here? It is the shape of rectangle only. So, 2 into L plus B. That is equal to 2 into 175 plus 125, which is equal to 2 into 300, which is equal to 600 only, right? 600 meter. Now what is the next part? Cost per meter is given. Cost of fencing for 1 meter, that is equal to rupees 12. So fencing for 600 meter, that is the all together its perimeter. So 600 meter should be multiplied with the 12. So 7200 only, right? So these questions, this and the last question, the cost is asked. So what we should do, first we have to calculate the perimeter. Then what is the next step? What is the rate is given? It is given for meter only. So we must check, we also getting meter only here. So 20 should be multiplied with the total perimeter, that is 1000. So 20 into 1000, that is equal to 20,000. Here also find the cost of fencing. Rectangular park is length 175 and breadth 125 meter at the rate of rupees 12 per meter. Here also meter is given. The rupees is given for meter. So we always check that whether our perimeter unit is also same or not. Perimeter unit is also same. Here also you can see that 600 meter only. So cost for fencing 1 meter of the park is equal to rupees 12. So what we should do here, 600 into 12, that is to be multiplied 7200 only. Okay. Now, once again, what are the questions we have discussed here? I'll repeat one more time. What is the questions? First, we have studied. We have studied that a rectangular piece of the land measures 0.7 kilometer by 0.5 kilometer. Each side is to be fenced with the 4 rows of the wire. So, what we should do here? First, we have to calculate a perimeter. That perimeter should be multiplied with the 4. Since it is the rectangle, length and breadth are different, means it's a rectangle only. So rectangle perimeter, what is the formula? 2 into L plus B, substituting, and we got 2.4 kilometers. So 2.4 kilometer to be multiplied with the 4, that is equal to 9.6 kilometer only, right? Next, the perimeter of the regular pentagon is given how long it's each side. So side should be calculated. So the perimeter should be divided with the number of sides. So 100 should be divided with the 5. So side will get, what is the answer of the side? 20 meter only. So the previous question, perimeter is asked to calculate. Now this the length of the side is asked. So 100 by 5, it is equal to 20 centimeter only. Now here what is the change? Cost is asked. Find the cost of fencing. So first what we have to do, perimeter we should calculate, and we should multiply with the cost only. So always check the units are same or not. If the units are same, then it's correct, directly we can multiply. Otherwise we have to keep a uniformity in the unit, then only we can. So what is the answer here? 20,000. So how we got, we multiplied rupees 20 with the perimeter. Perimeter is a square only. So what is the formula we have used? 4 into side. So what is the answer we are getting? 20,000. Okay, the next one is also same only, but the shape changed here. What is the change shape here? Rectangular is the shape. So here also what we have calculated? We have calculated perimeter. Then we got 600 meter. Now we checked the cost is the cost unit is also meter only. The rupees is given for meter. So 600 to be multiplied with the 12. Then what is the answer? 7,200 only, right? So these are the questions based on perimeter, and perimeter is the distance. What is the definition of the perimeter? Says the distance of the boundary, isn't it? What we can say that is the distance covered along the boundary forming the closed figure. So with this today's class I am winding up. Thank you. Practice the questions.